Your heart beats about 100,000 times every day, so feeding it well is essential. Let's explore 5 fruits packed with nutrients that support heart health and keep your ticker happy. First up, the classic apple. Known for the saying, an apple a day, apples are rich in fiber and natural plant compounds. They're affordable, easy to enjoy, and a smart choice for your heart. Next, grapes are loaded with antioxidants that have caught scientists' attention for their heart benefits. Watermelon isn't just refreshing, it's rich in lycopene, a powerful compound that supports heart health, plus it keeps you hydrated. Oranges provide more than vitamin C. They also deliver plant compounds that contribute to a balanced diet. And avocado, a fruit often mistaken for a vegetable, offers healthy fats and nutrients that promote cardiovascular wellness. No single fruit can do it all, but these 5 add valuable nutrients to your diet. Which one do you eat most? Let us know in the comments. For more natural health tips, like, share, and subscribe to Let's Learn About Herbs.